So here's today's project, or a continuation of what I was working on before. And this is some of that masonite board that is warped and rotted away. So I got to replace that with a. I've got some boards that are match the same thickness, and they're 5.5 inches wide. And if you look at this gap in here, let's go here. Okay. I probably need to cut. Come up 10 inches. So I'm going to cut that masonite board out a height of 10 inches, and there's a stud there on the left where that drywall ends. So I'll anchor to that, and then I need to add another stud to the right for the drywall, but I can anchor to that stud. Let's go outside and show them. So here you can see on this corner here, this is all torn up here. And so I'm going to probably cut this and bring it up to, from here, this bottom of this stud, come about 10 inches to be about here, and then I'm going to go this way. If you look over here, I can show you where the cut. This mark right here, that's where the stud's at. So I'm going to come up 10 inches, go this way, replace a section. This over here needs to be replaced all the way to the edge of the house, about 8 foot, 10 feet in the future. But I'm just going to do this part right here.